Okay, so this is how you take apart a 2008 Heritage Softail tank. Getting this one ready for paint for some dings that I sanded out. First you take your screws out. There's going to be a couple connections underneath here. There's one spade, and then there's a plug. You got to push on one clip to get that off. Get those out of the way. And then there's this hose down here. You're gonna have to get that off. All you do is push these clips in, pull that out. That's your high pressure hose in the bottom of your tank. Get these wires out of the way. Try to pull this out. And there's this clip right here. You're going to want to pull this down, pull this clip out, then this will come out off of here, and watch, there's, that's where your oil, your gas filter is too. I don't want to lose that O-ring. Put that back in, put that in there, and this hose here goes to the bottom high pressure connection at the bottom of the tank. Just want to turn that with this because it all turns at the same time, then it just pulls out the bottom of the tank. That's it for the inside of the tank. Normally this wire on your fuel gauge is going to run right through the bottom here with the connector. You're going to have to take the connector off. I already did this. And then this just pops out. You're not going to know if it comes out or not, but just pull it out. It's just retained by these little clips and tabs. It won't break, just pop it out. New fuel cap. And then I don't have to show right now. I gotta find my tool, but for the debadging, all you do is take a heat gun and you get some monofilament fishing line. You heat this up and you just get fishing line and you run it down through. I found that's the easiest way to get badges and shit off. And then just tape up your two holes. Put some tape on these. Cover this. Do your body work.